Substitute minus 2 for x in the function f minus 2 equals 2 minus 2 superscript 2 plus 3 minus 2, 1. Simplify the expression f minus 2 equals 2, 4, minus 6 minus 1 is equal to 8, 6 minus 1 is equal to 1, 1 is equal to minus 9. The radius of a circle is the distance between the center of the circle and any point on the circle. The distance between 5, 3 and 1, 3 is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Therefore, the radius of the circle is 4. If 60% of the 100 people surveyed preferred apples, then 160 equals 40% preferred oranges. Since 40% of 100 is 0.40, 100 equals 40, then 40 people preferred oranges. To determine if a point lies on the line, we can substitute the x and y coordinates of the point into the equation and check if the equation is true. Substituting x equals 6 and y equals 0 into the equation 2x plus 3y equals 12, we get 2, 6, plus 3, 0, equals 12, which is true. Therefore, the point 6, 0 lies on the line. A regular hexagon can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. The side length of each equilateral triangle is equal to the radius of the circle, which is 6. The perimeter of the hexagon is 6 times the side length of one of the equilateral triangles, or 6, 6 equals 36. A regular hexagon can be divided into 6 equilateral triangles. The side of each equilateral triangle is equal to the radius of the circle, which is 6. Therefore, the perimeter of the hexagon is 6 times 6 equals 36. The ratio of people who prefer apples to the number of people who prefer oranges is 60 to 40. Dividing both sides of this ratio by 20 gives the equivalent ratio 3 to 2. To solve for x, we multiply both sides of the equation by x3. This gives us 2x plus 1 equals 4, x3. The other options are incorrect and may result from errors in distributing the 4 on the right-hand side of the equation. The area of a sector is proportional to the measure of its central angle. Since the measure of minor arc AB is 60 degrees, the area of sector AOB is 60/360 equals 1/6 the area of the circle. The area of the circle is pi r superscript 2 equals pi 5, superscript 2 equals 25 pi, so the area of sector AOB is 1/6, 25 pi equals 25 pi/6. If 60% of the students surveyed preferred to study in a quiet environment, then 100% to 60% equals 40% preferred to study in a noisy environment. Since 40% of 100 is 40, 40 of the students surveyed preferred to study in a noisy environment. Adding the two equations together eliminates y, giving us 2x equals 8. Dividing both sides by 2, we get x equals 4. The expression on the left side of the equation is a perfect square trinomial, x plus 1, superscript 2 equals 0. Taking the square root of both sides gives x plus 1 is equal to 0. Subtracting 1 from both sides gives x equals -1.